Hey everyone, if you want to connect cloud storage services to Rclone, the first thing you'll need to do is create a remote. In Rclone, a remote is a saved connection profile that allows you to access and manage cloud storage accounts easily. In this video, I'll show you how to create Rclone remotes from start to finish in 2026. Once you've selected the provider, Rclone will guide you through the setup process. Depending on the service, you may be asked to sign in through a web browser and grant Rclone permission to access your storage account. Follow the authentication steps carefully and return to the terminal when prompted. After authentication is complete, Rclone may display additional configuration options specific to the selected provider. Review these settings and accept the defaults unless you have special requirements. And that's how to create Rclone remotes in 2026. With properly configured remotes, you can manage multiple cloud storage services from a single, powerful command line tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.